we've been having certain conferences with our universities. And as I know, they have been on the ground right away. They were there right away, and they checked everything. And so far, wala naman sila nakikita. But I just want to tell the public that first of all, we are doing everything para maging safe ang mga universidades natin, pati yung mga colleges natin, para safe po ang ating mga anak na nasa eskwelahan. But we will also not stand for these pamphlets because most of it seems to be like it's coming from I don't know how serious they are, but I just want to assure the public that we are not going to stand for it. Di po ba sa airports natin nakalagay bawal ang magkaroon ng bomb jokes, diba? Jokes lang yun, it's, you become criminally liable. Now, for those that are doing this, for those that are spearheading these issues, this doing of the pamphlets, I just want to warn you that if, like, let's say, kasi may iba-ibang leads din kami na kung minsan ang napopunteriya dito minors. So I just want to warn you to say kung malaman natin na mga minors ang gumagawa nito, kawawang-kawawa kayo kasi hindi na kayo, it's going to be on your record, it's going to be, hindi na kayo pwede kumuha ng passport, hindi na kayo pwede, there are a lot of consequences if you continue this. Okay, so this is why I want us to do this press conference to show that we are serious about this, that we are serious in finding out who you are, and we will. We already have our cybercrime expert here, and I have also alerted our DICT, I have also alerted our cybercrime CICC. Yes, so everyone is alerted. So if we find out when, I'm sorry, not if, when, it's just a matter of time na malalaman natin kung sino kayo at talagang we will not be, we will press charges because, you know, even as I said, in the airport, hindi po allowed na magkaroon ng bomb jokes, criminally liable yun. It's a criminal act. So, I just want to make sure that you realize that we're serious about this. Huwag niyo po akong aanuhan na parangiti po ako, pero kapag seryoso po ako, seryoso din po ako. I am really, it is not a joke to me that you will threaten the safety of the students and the safety of the teachers as well. So please, stop it. But I will hand over the mic to our PD and to all our cybercrime experts and to see how far we have gone in our investigation.